Hey, ever wondered how you can leverage the power of webinars and affiliate marketing to grow your business? If so, have I got the news for you. Affiliate marketing is a commission-based strategy that can help you reach new audiences and generate even more revenue. Imagine collaborating with affiliates to expand your audience and increase your credibility. Sounds cool, doesn't it? It gets way better. You can also dive into influencer marketing. Choose influencers who are authentic, relevant, and reputable. Collaborate with them via email and offer incentives for promoting your brand. Also, by attending virtual events, you can expand your network and support your affiliate marketing efforts. Launching an online learning affiliate program can be a very cost-effective strategy. And here's a pro tip. Offer special discounts and deals to influencers and their audiences. Host educational sessions and workshops with your influencers. Don't forget to use product showcases, especially on Instagram stories, to advertise your brand. The combination of affiliate marketing and webinars is powerful and has significant benefits. So what are you waiting for? Set up a free account on LiveWebinar today and start your journey to success. Let's make it happen!